Welcome to my educational channel. I am very happy to discuss with you people. I done a previous lesson Buddha's philosophy. So many students and the parents and who those are attending the competition examination like KES and the KS, FDC, SDC and as well as so many competition examinations. They are very happy to they're saying this is a very useful video. Today I am bringing the new topic, that is Jainism. Here I am going to discuss with you all about the philosophy of Jainism with happily. Okay, we are discussing about the origin of Jainism, Vardhaman Mahavir, dual nature of Jainism, the council of Jainism, 5 doctrines, how they are playing in the Jainism, the principles of the Jainism, tenets of the Jainism, and how the enrich of the literature in Jainism, educational implications of the Jainism. The lastly we are discussing with about the Jainism, the origin of Jainism. Let us discuss today's origin is in the 6th century BC by Mahavira. There are the 24 teachers. The last teacher, his name is Tirthankara. The name is called as a Mahavira, 24th. The first Tirthankara name is Rishabh Pant. Here we are saying the Tirthankara. The Tirthankara means who those teaches the good thoughts. Let us discuss the cause of origin. Why the Jainism origin here? The so many religions are here. Why the Jainism origin in this place? Hinduism was a complex, rigid, orthodox and dominant of Brahmin, where the Varna system classifies into 4 classes based on birth. In that time, Kshatriyas are opposite to Brahmin. In northeastern part, agriculture economy starts because of iron tools. So, the Jainism was originated in that places. Who was Vardhaman Mahavir? Vardhaman Mahavir was of 24th Tirthankara, born on 540 BC, Kundagrama village in Bihar, Gnatrika, clan royal family of Magadha. His father was Siddhartha, mother was Trishala. Trishala was a sister of Chetaka, King Vaishali. At the age of 42, get highest spiritual knowledge after the meditation, 12 years continuous meditation, he got the spiritual knowledge at the age of 42. The characteristics of the Jainism and how we are classifying the Jainism here. What are the symptoms of the Jainism here? Ahimsa is a milestone. It is a very important aspect. The Jainism, Ahimsa. Karma and rebirth are taking here. They are believing on existence of liberated souls or Kaivalyas, but not in one God. Believes in existence of multiplicity of immortal soul. Every objects are made up of pudugulas, color, taste, smell, touch, divisible as anus. Then totally we are saying the Ahimsa is a milestone here. Birth and death are depend upon karma. 3 Ratnas, right philosophy, right knowledge and right conduct. Not believing in creator, it is a natural process. Realism or daily experienced in life. What are the dual nature of the Jainism? We are going to discuss here. The heart of the Jainism means this is the dual nature of the Jainism. Why we are saying the heart of the Jainism means here the Jainism is the one Digambara, another one is a Swetambara. Digambara, what do you mean by Digambara here? It was introduced by Bhadrabahu, believing wearing no dress. Men are completely nudity, but women are wearing white clothes. Women may not achieve liberation. Major subsects Musa Sangha, Bishapanta, Terapanta and Samaya Pantha. These are the major subsects here, and minor subsects are Gumana Pantha and Tota Pantha. And the lastly, we are remembering here Bhadrabahu was introduced the Digambara nature. Another one nature we are the discussing here, Svetambara. It was the originated by Stulabhadra. Monks wear white clothes. Everybody follows 5 vows except Brahmacharya. Believes woman can achieve liberation, but in Digambara the woman cannot achieve liberation, but in Svetambara believe woman can achieve liberation. It is the only one difference here. Major subsects Murti Pujaka, Stanakavasi and Terapanthi. 5 doctrine: Ahimsa, not injury; Satya, do not speak lie; Astiya, do not steal; Aparigraha, do not acquire property; Brahmacharya, observe continency. These are the 5 doctrines of the Jainism here. What are the principles we are discussing here? Mean absence of dogmatism, honoring the freedom of others, peaceful coexistence and the cooperations. These are all the principles of Jainism. Tenets of Jainism: belief in God. They are recognized the existence of God but kept in lower than Jain. It is a very important aspect. And note down here, belief in God. Theory of karma: they not believe in Varna system but birth take place according to their sins. Anekatavada: theory of plurality. Truth and reality are complex, knowledge of all. Shadavada: all judgments are holding good in certain conditions. Then we are going to discuss here literature. What are the literature in the Jainism? Agama Sutra written in Ardha Magadhi in Prakriti language, non-Agama explanation of Agama Sutra and independent works by scholars. The contributions: they hate Varna system, concentration on Prakriti and Kannada language. So many languages are practiced in this philosophy like Sanskrit, Old Marathi, Rajasthani, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Tamil. Educational implication: what are the educational implications of this philosophy? Liberation of right judgment. Here explaining of student-student relationship, student-teacher relationship, teacher-teacher relationship, non-violence, avoid steal, anger, speak sweet and soft. Man becomes active but not idle. Spread of Jainism. Here we are seeing the one picture here, Gomateshwara in Shravanabelagol, that is situated in Karnataka state. Men and women are both actively participate. Jainism did not clear mark between Hinduism, so spreads gradually where the place is a Brahminical system is a weak. The great Mauryan king Chandragupta Maurya lastly joined to this religion, so it spreads to Karnataka, South India, Bahubhadra. The last journey of Jainism means speech, Pava, symbol lion, missions Koshala, Magadha, Mithala and Champu. Mahavira death takes place in 468 BC at the age of 72. Great soul passed away in Paupuri at Bihar. The Bihar state is a holy state, I think. Why? Because the good souls are like Buddha and the Mahavira, they are taking the birth in the state. Thank you one and all.